Hi guys, today we're gonna read The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. Ooh, a hot dog. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Flap, 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 flap. May I help you? Scooty, scoot, scoot. Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog, my hot dog. I have a question. I have never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they taste like a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy and a celebration in a bun. If you never expected the self-defense of the hot dog, you should really wait a second. What? This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course, enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tasted like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So it doesn't taste like chicken then. Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it. It is my hot dog, right? Mine. I'm a curious bird. What does they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. This is unbelievable. Yeah, right? Friend keepers is what I say. I can't take it anymore. What are you supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. No, you are pretty smart for a duckling. This is the end. And there's the eaten hot dog hidden in this picture. This is the end of the chapter book. Bye, guys. See you next time for more books. Bye.